Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly enable and use Instagram sleep mode on your iPhone or Android device. If Instagram late night scrolling is affecting your sleep schedule, Instagram sleep mode can be a helpful feature to bring balance back to your routine. This built-in tool reminds you to take a break during your chosen bedtime hours and helps reduce distractions when you should be winding down. So whether you use an iPhone or Android device, enabling the sleep mode only takes a few moments inside the Instagram app settings. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Instagram app on your device, and then you have to hit the profile tab located at the bottom. After that, you have to tap on the menu button at the upper right corner of the screen, and then you have to choose time management option. After that, you have to choose the sleep mode option. And now you have to perfectly adjust the time, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily enable and use the Instagram sleep mode on your iOS or Android device. Once activated, it can serve as a simple reminder to log off and focus on sleep without deleting the app or changing your routine completely. If you often lose track of while scrolling, this feature is definitely worth trying. Therefore, make sure to use the steps shared in this guide. Customize the schedule to match your bedtime and make Instagram work around your lifestyle instead of interrupting it. And I'll catch you up in the next one.